In this video, I'm going to show you how we can switch to a creator account on Instagram. First, we need to open the Instagram app, then we click on a profile on the bottom right here. Now at the top right, we click on those three lines. And now we need to scroll down all the way where it says, where it is, it should be around here. So the business tools right here for professionals. We click on account type and tools. And now we need to click on switch to professional account. Click on next. And yeah, here you can choose whatever you are. For example, let's just take this option right here. Now keep in mind that this can take up to 30 seconds to change your account. And as you can see, we need to choose that we are a creator and not a business, because obviously we want to change Instagram to a creator account. So we click on creator, click on next, and now we have set up the creator account. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.